Derek Shapiro from Miller's Truck Sales and Repair Incorporated, Fuso, and of course they're conveniently located at 145 Higginson Avenue, Lincoln, Rhode Island. Give them a call, 417-239-9030. Again, 417-239-9030. Visit them online at millerstrucks.com. millerstrucks.com. Miller's a family-owned and operated business founded by current owner Bob Miller. Mitsubishi Fuso Canter Work truck models. Again, Miller's Truck Sales and Repair Incorporated, Mitsubishi Fuso at 145 Higginson Avenue, Lincoln, Rhode Island, not too far from Central Falls and not too far from Pawtucket. Tell them that Derek Shapiro sent you.